keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 5th, Subject Environmental Studies Part 1, Topic The Earth and its Living World. Part 2. In last class, students, we studied about the lithosphere. The lithosphere extends under the water too. So, students, much of the Earth's surface is occupied by water. Very right. We have also learned about continents, oceans, and various landforms. Now, students, let's learn what is hydrosphere. Water on the Earth's surface, ground surface, water vapor in the atmosphere together make hydrosphere. There are many streams of water flowing over land. This water is not salty but fresh. These streams of water may be rills, brooks, streams, or rivers. Now, students, let's see one by one. Rills. Rills are shallow channels cut in the surface of soil or rocks by running water, as you can see in this picture. The next one is brooks. Brooks are a number of rills joining together form a brooks. The next one, student, is streams. You can see here a continuous flow of fresh water are called streams. The next one, student, is rivers. So, rills, brooks, streams join each other and flow in a single stream. They form rivers. Rills are the smallest one and the rivers are the biggest one. Now, students, let us learn what is tributaries. Rivers which join to make a bigger river are called its tributaries. As you can see, many small rivers joins and make a bigger one. In some places, a river cascade down a sudden drop. This form a waterfall. But students, note that all the rivers eventually flow into the ocean. Now students, let us understand what is lake. A water body formed by water collecting naturally in a low-lying area of land is called a lake. Now students, we will see water in the form of ice. Water particles in the clouds freeze and in cold regions they come down in the form of snow. When the layer of snow piles up on the ground, they form ice. Now students, let us understand what is glacier. When layers of ice piles up in a low-lying area, they become enormous in size, that is huge in size. This huge mass slips down a slope at a very slow speed. This is called a glacier. Now students, let us understand what is icebergs. There are also huge blocks of ice floating in the sea, as you can see in this picture. They are called icebergs. Now students, let's have a look on groundwater. Beside all the water bodies on the earth's surface, there is a lot of water stored in the underground layer of rocks. It is called groundwater. We reach it by the means of dug, well, and bore wells. That's all for the day, students. Keep learning new things every day. Thank you.